Good morning, Year 11 students. Today we're going to do experiment 5 from your booklets, which is photosynthesis and respiration. Okay, so the first part of that track is looking at the indicator that we're going to use. In the prac, I think it says phenol red, but this indicator is better. It's called carbon dioxide indicator, and it's specifically made to register carbon dioxide in a solution. So for photosynthesis, it works well. There is actually phenol red in this indicator, among a couple of other things. Anyway, we're going to look at how that indicator works. So I'm going to pour some in a couple of tubes. All right. So you can see the color is all the same. And I'll show you this indicator chart, which you should have a copy of. But yeah, I wonder if you can kind of see what pH that is right now. If you need to pause that, that's fine. All right, so now I'm going to use this straw to blow some of my breath into one of these indicators. So you have to think about what is coming out of my breath primarily. And when that bubbles through the water, it's absorbing into the water to form what? All right, let's do this. Let's do it here. Oh, would you look at that? What happened there? Is the color different? If it is, write down what color it is now and what pH you think that might be. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to try and make it go the other way of the pH scale. So I've got some sodium hydroxide, which is basic, has a pH of about, I don't know, 14 or something. It's very, very high. I'm just going to put like one drop in here, see how sensitive this indicator is. Ooh, one drop. Whoa, that did not mean much at all. So can you see that color? So take down what pH you think these are and what that means, like for what happens when I blow into it. And yes, there are questions in your text, in your prac notes, that you can answer. Okay, so now that we've sussed out how that indicator works, I'm going to set up the experiment as is in the prac notes. I have some Alodia here, which is just like a water plant. And I'm going to break off a stem and put it in all of these. All right, so I've got Alodia in 2 of them, and then these 2 are the controls. Got my distilled water, and I'll fill them all up, which you don't need to. All right, so I filled them all with distilled water, and these 2 have Alodia in them. Now I'm going to put in my carbon dioxide indicator into all of them. All right, magic. So they all have carbon dioxide indicator in them now. And if you look at your indicator chart, you can roughly see what pH they are. Okay, so hold that up. So it just looks dark because it's got the plant in it, but it's the same color as the red. Okay, anyway, So now I'm going to put one set of these in the sun. I'll put it outside probably, and I'll put the other set in a cupboard. I might cover it in foil. Voila! All right, we're ready to go. These guys are going to go in the sun. These guys are in darkness, so you can hypothesize about what gases you think they're going to create in each of these scenarios. And I will show you the results maybe in like 5 hours.